Hello children, welcome back to Insightengineacademy. This is a physics class, chapter number 1 from 8th class, force. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed types of forces and also we have discussed forces at a distance, field forces or non-contact forces. In this video we are going to talk about contact forces. Okay, so first once again I repeat the definition. What is contact force? For example, early in the morning after you wake up, you want to brush your teeth. Okay, so you take the brush, you want to apply the paste to that. What do? You are pressing tube of the paste with fingers. So when you press with fingers, the paste come out that you apply on the brush and brush your teeth, right? So here you see your hand is one body and the toothpaste tube is the other body. These two bodies are interacting. The two interacting bodies are physically in contact. Okay, your hand, that means your fingers, and the tube both are in contact. If you want to open the door, how do you open the door? You hold the handle and you pull it. Your hand is one body, the handle of the door is other body. Handle of the door and your hand, okay, interacting. Okay, these two interacting bodies are physically in contact. For example, I want to open this marker. Okay, so how can I open this marker? There is only one way. I have to apply the force with my fingers on this marker. I have to pull it, then the cap comes. Yes or no? So I can't do the magic, right? Abracadabra something, right? So here my hand and this cap both are in contact. Here I am exerting force. Okay, when I exert the force, this cap and my fingers are interacting, and these two interacting bodies are physically in contact. Such kind of forces are called what? Contact forces. Okay, so force occurs due to the physical contact between two interacting bodies. Two interacting bodies is called contact force. So this is contact force, right? So what are the examples of the contact force? Number 1, muscular force. Number 2, friction, or it is also called frictional force. Number 3, normal force, or it is also called reaction force. And the fourth one is tension force. These are the 4 examples of contact forces. Now we are going to discuss these 4 contact forces one by one in detail. First we shall have a discussion on muscular force. Okay? Okay. I want to lift the bag from the ground. What I have to do? I have to use my hand. I have to use my muscles. Okay? Then I have to lift the bag. I have to do the work opposite to the gravitational, against to the gravitational force. Yes or no? So here I am exerting force on the bag and I am pulling the bag towards my body using the force. Which force? Muscular force. So due to the action of my muscles, I am able to exert the force on that bag. Okay, so this force is called what? Muscular force. So what are the other examples of muscular force? Can you tell me? See, for example, there is a ball on the ground. Okay, whenever you kick the ball, what happens? When you kick the ball accelerates. Okay, so ball previously, before you kick the ball, that is at rest. Now it is undergo motion because of you kicked. Okay, which force you used? You used muscles. When you are riding bicycle, okay, when you are riding bicycle, you are applying force with your legs on the pedals, right? You are holding the handle and you are applying force, right, on the pedals with your legs, muscles present in the leg. You are exerting force with the help of the muscles. If the force is exerted due to the action of muscles, that is called muscular force. Okay. Muscular force. Okay, so what are the examples of the muscular force? Just now we have discussed. Okay, so lifting the bag, right? While lifting the bag, what do? We apply the force with the help of the muscles. Kicking the ball, okay, or throwing the ball. So when we throw, we use our muscular force, okay. Throwing the ball, okay. Just pushing the sofa. Whenever we clean our houses, we move the sofa from one place to one corner to other corner, right? So pushing the sofa or a table. So there are many examples. Can you write 2 or 3 examples on your own? It is easy. So for example, even ox, okay. So have you ever seen the cart, farmers using this cart to carry the whatever the crop they get, okay. So the yielding after getting that paddy or maize or cotton, they collecting the bags, gunny bags, they fill them in the gunny bags. That gunny bags are filled in the cart, okay. From the field to the house or from field to the market, they carry generally, okay. In olden days, most probably they were used only these carts, bullock carts. But nowadays tractors, okay. So tractors take the advantage. So nowadays we have machinery, mostly machinery, depends on machinery. But even though ploughing, to plough the land in olden days, so plough, that plough is pulled by the pair of ox, right? So pull, that is also bulls, 2 bulls. With the help of 2 bulls, they can plough the land. But nowadays tractors came, okay. Of course, nowadays even in some cities, pulling rickshaw, okay. Some people are pulling rickshaw, some people are carrying the luggage in the rickshaw from one place to other place, okay, because they don't have any other option, because they don't know what to do to earn money. They are doing only that thing, okay. They don't have any technical and something. So from particularly from certain age onwards, they are doing that. They completely depend on that only, okay. So again, okay, so during the pulling the rickshaw, what they are doing when persons are sitting on the rickshaw, okay, so they pull like this, yes or no? So which force they are using? They are using muscular force. Even horse also. Have you seen the cart which is pulled by the horse? Okay, so that is also horse exert what force? Muscular force. So there are many examples. In all these cases, have you understood? Our body, whenever we throw, whenever we lift, whenever we kick, whenever we push, our body in contact with that other body. That means 2 interacting bodies are physically in contact. Okay. So muscular force is a contact force. Muscular force is a contact force. It is a simple one. You can write many examples, okay. It is easy to understand also. We will discuss next contact force. Please note down definition and some examples of the muscular force in your notes.